with that blizzard. I think he laid down and he was covered in snow and he knew he was camouflaged. I think he just laid down wherever he stopped feeding, near that blowdown, just a little bit of security cover right there, and he just erupted 15 yards away from us, like he was covered in snow. I never even seen him.
Just an explosion of
Yeah, he
snow.
like jumped up and he ran kind of away from us, and then he like hooked out to where he was straight out at 50 yards. And I pulled up and I was on like 6 power on my scope, and I tried finding an opening, getting on him, but he kind of went out to about 30 yards, and he just stayed at like, I couldn't get him in the scope real good. I was trying to find an opening, and he gets out there, and he stops